In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your image or design to a mockup in Canva. There are a couple of ways you can do this, but I'm going to show you how I would do it. So first, what I would do is I would choose a dimension of a design. So if you go create a design, you can then create, and if you go to custom size, you can then choose the dimensions of the design that you want. I'm going to choose 1920 by 1080, which is going to be a landscape design. And from here, we can then find mockups which suit these dimensions, and then we can upload our own image. There are multiple different ways that you can do this, but this is the way I'm going to show you. So nonetheless, once you've got your design open, you need to now find mockups. So if you go to elements, you can then search, and you want to search for mockup. And that will then show you all of the different mockups. Now you've got mockups, you've also got frames, which are slightly different, but it may be necessary for you to use these based on your design. I'm going to click the mockups, we're going to go see all, and here you can choose what mockup you want to use and what mockup you want to add your design to. We will choose this one for the video because it's going to display how the mockup actually works. So I'll drag this on to our design. And we can resize this. Now we can resize this to any dimensions. So this is going to be perfect for the example. Now what we need to do is we need to drag on a design, and it's going to drag on and snap to this mockup. So once you've found your mockup, and you can make a more specific search and not just mockup, you could put like mug mockup or PC mockup. Now once you've added your mockup, go to uploads and then click upload files, and from here you can drag in your own files from your computer. Now I'm going to use a file I've already got on Canva, so once you've uploaded the file, drag it on to the mockup, and in a second it will snap into place and you should see it here working. So there we go, we've now added this mockup of a city at night to the design and it's snapped it in place. So that's how you would use it, and that's how to get it done.